Hi traders, had a reasonable day today. Could have done better, but there again, can't expect to get everything right in these markets. I did buy a pullback in this and got a little move, didn't take any profits and gave the profits back. So I ended up pretty flat on the day with this one. I thought this would buy here and break the high and move up. Obviously, it's a slow mover and it's in a there's a lot of resistance up here, so I expected too much of this. This is the US dollar yen, by the way. And I did get some of this pound. I was talking about this sort of dropping last night, talking about this sort of coming into this resistance level and rolling over. Of course, this was massive support. We're in a box, and would you believe it? It's bounced. So when I realised I was on the wrong side of this, I started buying the lows and just trading for dips. I've got a small piece of that action anyway. I would buy a pullback to this 160, 159.75, that kind of area there. If it dips, I think that is a buy. This is a reversal of this little run, so a new low in this little run here, close above next day, that's bullish. I had a short on this Euro US with a 15-point stop, so we suffered a 15-point stop out. This is when I realised I was on the wrong side of this market. When this Euro stopped me out, I decided to sort of get bullish and started buying lows in the Dow and the pound. So we had 3 up days here, massive amount of resistance, but it's still the underside of this wedge, so I'm not touching it at the moment. I do like the pound. Pound yen had a great day. 158 was massive. Retested it today, and then we are at 159.23. This is another, this is another tough one. You've got to keep up if you're in a trend and buy the pullbacks. So if we see 159 or 158.75 area, then try it. But that is a big box at the moment. Just a little excursion out of the box. Okay, and let's have a look. Euro yen. We talked about Euro yen a lot, so let's have a look at that one. That's stationary. Just traded the range today. I was looking at gold. I considered going long the gold today, and I didn't. That's too busy looking at the other. Can't look at too much. But that, to me, looks as if that could base around here and start to get back up to 135. It's a stopping bar. I would look to gold tomorrow to buy a pullback in that. See if we can get a move up. And down. Yeah, I made money going long and short the Dow today. I bought these lows here. I started shorting the resistance. It pulled back, and I started buying pullbacks. I got some of it. Because of the data that's coming up, I didn't hold out for a big move. I decided to go for small moves today because of the range of that. And that's worked out okay. I made money on it, so that's the most important thing. Okay, oil. That is a stopping bar. This is massive support. This is huge. Look at this over here. Stopping bar on this huge support. This is a gift. An absolute gift. We've got invents tomorrow. Those invents are half decent. I think this will break up to 96. If they're not, that will fall out the base. I think that's gonna hold. Divergent RSI, stopping bar. I would expect to see that potentially breaking those highs. Alright, so I like gold, I like oil. I'd give oil another day because of the invents, but gold is definitely on my list. Pullbacks in pound US dollar and pound yen, and leaving. I'm going to just be that much more cautious on the Dow at the moment, given that it's in that range. Right, hope that helps, and please join me in the room, because I did well in the room today, and I'd like to share that with you. In fact, before we go, let me just look at what I've done in the room. I did short oil actually. I've got oil here. When I saw oil come off of this level here, I shorted this breakdown back down to support. Should have flipped it. So I just got a small move here, and on the Dow, what did I do? I took this breakout, shorted here. Let me see, what did I do? I think I didn't take that long. I did short here. I shorted here, took it off at support. So I've got two moves, which actually amount to quite a reasonable sum of money. But I didn't get this breakout. Huge wedge in, right, nice little apex, and then we got this nice breakout which I missed. So I did one long, one short. Expected this to wait until the data was out of the way. In the meantime, while I was waiting and taking a break, this all went. But I did okay. I made money. Alright, that's it. I'm definitely going now, so see you soon.